Okay, what's up guys? It's Marsh from Katie and Marsh. Today we are going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. I've played this game before and I have got to the end with Katie. I hate when these blocks do this. First a game I used to play. So me and Katie both have a part of the boat. So Katie has like the front half, I have this half. And some of the floor down here. I just wanted to show that. We're gonna watch that. Just see. Yeah, I'm eating a cookie. Who cares? M&M cookie too. Yeah. Let's hear. Let's build a boat. I have an idea. It's gonna be a really simple boat to show you this. 2, 3, 4. Me and Katie first got introduced to this game when I was like, hey, let's try this build a boat game out. It looks really cool and I kinda wanna try it. She was like, okay, and then we were total noobs at first until we kept going until we started getting these chests. Which is how I got, anyway, I'll find it. This stuff and these. So, if you know, those blocks are the strongest blocks in the game. And I will try to record at my school science fair this year. Hope they allow recording. Else I can't record. Make me feel bad, so I am doing 2 episodes. I'm gonna do one after this one if I'm publishing. This one. Got it. I'll do this. I said this was gonna be a simple boat, and I lied. It's gonna be a kind of complicated boat, but at the same time, really simple. I could not have Katie on. She was at her play practice, which I can't record there. I already know that. So, sadly, I will not be recording there for a video. But I will make that up to you guys after her play, and I will be playing some Shark Fight. And I might do a little of that today with you guys. Put some wires down, some guard results. And then we'll do this. Make this look cool. Go down to my wood things. This is what you started out. We started out with like 6 of those. 1 of these. Didn't start out with anything else. If you guys have never played this game, I insist you guys on coming to play. It is like a really fun game, and I think you guys should play it. Try playing it. I wish I could get sponsored by the creators, but I can't. That's a really cool defense. Like, dude, you got that ramp, so you just, like the box will be coming up that ramp, coming up. Oh my god, I have face cam on, and I don't even bother using the face cam. It's really dumb. I will start having a green screen behind me, don't worry about that. Cookies are good. Well, I think it's going to be a really fun episode to go about. And today, We're gonna try to get to the end. Oh, I want to show you guys something before we go. Well, not before we go. Before we start decorating both seats and crap. So if you go like this, and you go like that, that can boost up. So look, then if you have one of these right there, like that, you can't boost it up. So, if you ever want to ride on one of those, just do that. I don't know where my neighbor goes. If my neighbor is watching and he's one of my subscribers, where do you go? You're leaving like every minute of the day. We're gonna put the can in there. Sorry, my mouse is squeaky. I'm trying to get a new mouse. I might get one today because I'm gonna go with my dad to Myers. I hope he gets here before his band practice so we can have Z with my dad can promise me. I hope. I like to see you guys. It's good. So Buildable, if you are watching, please sponsor me. And Quid. I have Quid on my phone. Let's go. I'm not even sponsored by him, but I'm still gonna show you the app. What now? My editor tried to do that. Well, I haven't hired my editor yet, but he's gonna be my dad because my dad knows how to edit pretty well. So look at this, guys. Basic looking ship. And just SWAT C. Darn it, it's 100 Robux just to get SWAT C. I really want to save this. Screw it. I will save it because I want to keep using this, and if it does not work, we will keep upgrading it. So let's try it right now. This is looking pretty promising. I mean, if it takes the wood, then it's gonna have to go through this tough layer to get through here. These cannons, as you can see, well, as you can't see, well now you can see, break blocks. I said blocks. Oh my god. Oh my god, it already took 2 of my pieces. And once I upgrade to the pro version, of the screen recorder, I will be able to do long recordings, and I will try recording one of my games I have been playing for the past few days. We're not gonna have some upgrades. Some boost upgrades, like this right there. Yeah, bro. This game is hard to win. Wait, how many levels do you have to go through? Come on. That many more. Plus those behind us. Here we are now. Gotta move up by Juza. You see everybody's over there. Oh. Ow. Oh my god, those 2 pieces are. I'm gonna back this up with I'm gonna do another coating of it. Except for these pieces, those pieces can stay. Except I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna put this on. No, not that stick. This is the I get. Oh, it's this. And how many? You know, just to make this video interesting, I will open two epic chests. 24. Those. 5 of those. 3 of those. 2 of those. Is that all? Nope. Some of those. More. Yep. More. Nope. 26 of those. I have a lot of those. 6 of those. 4 of those. What are those? I hate wood. Oh, wood does give it like a cool looking touch. 2 more of those. That's all. Nope. That's all. That door's all. And while we're at it, we will do that. We will load the boat, not the ship. It's a boat. It's a boat. It's a boat. I just want to boost this part right there. I just want to boost that area. Wait, we have like a safety caution. Crap. It's like it looks. I'm gonna make the boat kind of look like a speedboat. Oh, is my recording done?